If you print on a platen letterpress using photopolymer, you are going to be familiar with the concept of a compressible gauge pin. My students beat the heck out of these things here at the University of Regina, and so I decided it was time to start making them myself. I'm starting with a piece of clear mylar. This is nothing fancy. This is an older piece, and some of this double-sided foam mounting tape. So I'm going to cut myself a strip of the tape that's about the length of the piece of mylar, and the mylar has a nice straight edge on it. That's an important place to start. And I'm going to set my tape down on it, leaving a reveal of mylar about 3 or 4 millimeters, maybe 1/8 of an inch. I'm going to press it down, and then I'm going to take a ruler and an X-Acto knife, and I'm going to lay it down on the wider piece of the mylar, and I'm going to cut out an equal sized reveal, 3 or 4 millimeters there, or 1/8 of an inch. And being very careful not to cut myself and to go nice and straight, I'm going to cut the mylar and essentially free this from the larger piece. And now I have a long strip, a double-sided strip of gauge pin, and kind of eyeballing it, I'm going to mark it halfway down the middle, and then a ruler and a sharp X-Acto knife, and cut it all the way through. And what I will be left with are 2 pieces of compressible gauge pin. And then taking comically large scissors, I can eyeball this. I mean, I could measure it as well, but I'm going to cut off centimeter wide strips, more or less. And there you have it. In like less than a minute, I've got a handful of reusable compressible gauge pins. And here they are on the platen of our little Model 1 from the 1870s.